Hello and welcome to Fabric by Singhania. As you guys must be looking for a lot of traditional style lehengas, we've got the perfect set of collection of beautiful silk fabrics with traditional and very authentic style lehengas for you. So let me show you. So here I've got you the first silk fabric, which is in a gorgeous color of dark green with a really nice contrast border of pink. The dark green and pink is quite complementary, and you can look at the silk fabric. It's very beautiful and it's very elegant as well. You can take a look at the gold zari motifs that has been done across the fabric in a very gorgeous way. And if you take a look at the border work, it's been done in nice gold color itself. The gold zari contrast on this silk fabric looks really beautiful with the gorgeous border work that has been done. Now this fabric could be perfect to create a beautiful lehenga for yourself if you're going for a very traditional look, or if you want to create a beautiful dupatta or any kurti also with this kind of style and pair it off with this border, it would look really beautiful. Now here another silk fabric we have is in a nice hot pink color. It has a little bit of a two-toned effect in the light. As you can see, it gives an orange shade and a pink shade both. Nice check borders that has been done across it in the body of the fabric. You can look at the checks. It's very traditional, like a beautiful traditional temple style lehenga that you see across, or any puja occasions. You can see these kind of fabrics are quite popular. Look at the border here. It's in a very nice shade of violet, dark bluish, and the gold zari work and this peacock motifs, it's called more motifs, are very beautiful and it looks really gorgeous. So it also shines very brightly, and you can pair off a nice blouse piece of this color with this kind of fabric and create a really gorgeous traditional lehenga for yourself. Another silk fabric we have here is in the same kind of design that you saw earlier, but this is in a nice dark blue shade which is very bright and vibrant. You can take a look at the checks border that has been done, giving it a very traditional touch and very authentic. The gold zari weaving makes it look very royal. In the contrast of this dark blue, we've got this really nice rich shade of red color border which has been attached to this beautiful fabric, nicely woven with gold zari. You can take a look at the floral motifs done, the elephant motifs that has been done across it, and if you look at the fine details, there are peacock motifs too. So all of this fabric gives a very nice mythological experience in the fabric, and it gives a very beautiful and authentic look to the fabric. So if you want to create a beautiful lehenga for yourself, for your kids as well, for your daughters, this kind of fabric would really make it look very rich and elegant. Now this silk fabric that we have is a little bit different from the others, because if you take a look at the yellow, mustard yellow color of silk base color that has been used with this gold zari booty work, it looks very elegant, and it's usually how you can find these silk fabrics. But if you take a closer look at the hot pink borders over here, it's a nice silver and gold zari weaving which makes it look very unique and different, and all of this mayur design that has been done across it makes it look even more traditional and very authentic. So if you want to match it up with a very beautiful hot pink color blouse piece, or you want to create a nice dupatta for yourself for a nice suit that you have in this color or in mustard yellow color, it would create a beautiful set in your wardrobe. Here I'm presenting to you a beautiful purple color, almost lavender color of silk fabric with nice gold zari booty work that has been done across the body of this fabric. Perfect to create a suit set or an anarkali. And with the matching, we've got here this really nice violet shade of border work that has been done. You can take a look at how these borders have been nicely blended into this fabric with this gold zari outlining that has been done across the border, which makes it look very unique, and the peacock motifs makes it look quite beautiful. So this is also quite perfect to create a nice suit set or an anarkali or even a straight cut suit for yourself. This fabric would look very elegant and quite dreamy. In our next silk fabric, we've got something with a little bit of a neutral shade in the body. We've got a nice beige shade of almost greenish shade of silk fabric over here with beautiful gold zari booty work done across the body. Perfect if you want to create a sari also for yourself and you want to go for a more neutral look. And with it, we've got this really nice violet color border which is nicely done in gold zari weaving. Again, we've got this nice peacock motif kind of designs done across it, and floral motifs which you can see inside these borders, very intricately woven inside. This fabric also is perfect to create that kids wear outfit or a nice sari for yourself if you're looking for something more traditional yet elegant. You want to wear something for your everyday too. This kind of fabric can be perfect to create that outfit. Now here we've selected a nice parrot green shade of silk fabric with beautiful contrast border of violet. Now if you take a look at the body over here, it's been done with this floral booty work which is very minimal. It's not overcrowded on the body, it's very simple and elegant. So this is perfect if you want to create a beautiful traditional style lehenga for your kids as well. If you don't want something gaudy, you want to go for something more simple, this kind of fabric would look good. Again, we've got this violet shade of silk border work that has been intricately designed across it. You can take a look at the floral work, you can take a look at the elephant motifs that have been done as a design. The elephant motifs makes it look very beautiful and gives that temple style effect to the fabric, which is perfect if you're creating a nice outfit for your pujas. Now here we've selected this nice lime yellow silk fabric. Now the unique part about this is the booty work that you see on this. It's got two unique booty motif work that has been done. One is a mayur motif and the other one you can see is a simple booty work that you see in most silk fabrics. So this gives a beautiful combination in the body. And now if you take a look at the contrast border over here, which also has been woven in silk and gold zari work. It's in a nice elephant design with beautiful floral zari work that has been done, very beautifully woven and very elegant. Perfect to create that suit that you want to create, a nice anarkali that you want to create, or a beautiful kurti that you want to create. This kind of silk fabric will make it look very different and unique. Now a nice combination of green and red we've got here for you guys. Starting off with the body over here, it's in a nice green shade. It's a little bit more bright, and over it you can see this beautiful gold zari weaving that has been done with nice butta work, and you can look at the stripes pattern, which is very unique and different to this silk fabric. Now to pair it off with a nice contrast, we've got this really pretty red color silk border that has been beautifully attached to this fabric. Perfectly done with this nice peacock motif design that has been running across the whole fabric, and the gold zari weaving obviously looks very elegant. So you can create a nice suit for yourself, or you can create a beautiful sari or a lehenga. You can pair it off with a nice red color blouse, or you can create a nice gold blouse with this kind of fabric. Now finally we've got this nice white silk fabric for you. White silk would be perfect in traditional weddings if you're looking for it, and with it the perfect match of dark blue shade. Starting off with this white silk, it's very nice, the texture of it is very rich, and you can look at the stripes pattern that has been done in gold zari with minimal booty work that also has been drawn across like a stripe pattern. Along with it, you can see how it's been paired off with this nice dark blue shade, and the design across it is in a nice animal motif and mythological characters, which makes it look very unique and different. So if you want to create a beautiful sari for yourself with this kind of fabric, it would be ideal. Even a lehenga would be very beautiful to be created with this kind of fabric because of the beautiful work that has been done across it. The nice designs that you see across it is just perfect. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, like and comment and subscribe to our channel and follow us on all of our social media pages. If you want to know more about our collections, you can also visit our website, or you can visit our store at Banjara Hills Road number 1.